For class 10 student, this is coordinate geometry. The topic is angle between two straight lines. Angles between two straight lines. So here you see that this is x o x dash and this is y o y dash. So here you see that, let us consider this a straight line which is making an angle, some angle say theta 1, and there is another straight line which is making an angle say theta 2. This is angle of inclination which is considered in anti-clockwise direction with x-axis, and let this be the angle made between the two lines theta. So this is vertically opposite angles theta. Now exterior angle of a triangle, that is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So now your theta 2 minus theta 1 is equal to theta. So here you see I am taking tan both sides. Theta 2 minus theta 1, that is equal to tan theta. So tan A minus B formula, this will be tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 divided by 1 minus tan 1 plus tan theta 2 into tan theta 1 is equal to tan theta. We know that tan theta 2, it is called the slope. So this straight line, for this straight line let us consider this L and this M. So for this straight line L, your slope is, this is tan theta 2, that is M2, and tan theta 1, this is M1 by 1 plus M2 into M1, this is equal to tan theta. So this is the formula to find out the angle between two straight lines. Now one question arises that this can also be considered as an angle between the two straight lines. So this will come out to be 180 minus theta. So here you see that if you consider this, that means tan 180 degree minus theta. So this is also the angle between the two straight lines. So 180, this will be equal to how much? So this will be equal to minus tan theta. This will be equal to minus tan theta. We know the value of theta, so this comes out to be minus bracket m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 into m1, this. So what we found is that there are two ways in which we can find the angle between two lines. Either you can consider this as the formula or this as the formula. So what they have done, that is, these two formula has been mixed and it has been represented in the form of modulus. So they have written as tan theta is equal to modulus m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 into m1. So they have written in modulus, because as per the definition of modulus, this modulus means it has two values. One is x for x greater than equal to 0 and one as minus x for x less than 0, because modulus has two, according to definition of modulus x, it has two values, plus x and minus x. So these two formulas has been compiled and has been put it in the form of modulus. So whenever you are asked to find the angle between the two straight lines, that then you have to at first you have to take plus, and second you have to take minus, means you have to calculate two times whenever you have to find the angle between the two straight lines. Now I am going to the exercise. This is exercise 9.3. Exercise 9.3, question number 10. Exercise 9.3, question number 10. First, find the angle. It has been asked to find the angle between the following pairs of lines. So in order to, there are two equations of straight lines are given. First is that x minus root 3 y plus 1 is equal to 0, and the second is root 3x minus y is equal to 4. So the first is to solve it. First of all, you must know what is the slope of this line and what is the slope of this line. To find out the slope of this line, we will convert this into the form y is equal to mx plus c. We will convert it into the form that is point slope form. This is called as point slope form. Point slope form, and we will convert it into this form. So when we convert this, x plus 1 is equal to root 3y. So x plus 1 by root 3 is equal to y. So x by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 is equal to y. Now here I have converted into the form y is equal to mx plus c. So here your m is equal to 1 by root 3. M is 1 by root 3. Now similarly, I will convert this into y is equal to mx plus c form. So this is root 3x minus 4 is equal to y. So here let this be slope 1 m1 and let this be slope m2. It is up to you. Do not be confused that whether I am going to take this m1 or this m2 or this m2 or it is up to you. Nothing. There is no effect is going to take place. It is up to you. Either you select this as m1 or m2. It is up to you. I have selected here this as m1 and this as m2. Now, according to this angle tan theta, this will be m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m2 into m1. So here you find that m2, this is equal to, first of all I will take a positive value, that is positive root 3 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus root 3 into 1 by root 3. So here the result comes out to be 3 minus 1 by root 3 cancels out, so this is 2. So this is equal to 2 by root 3, that means 1 by root 3. So tan theta will be equal to, tan theta is equal to 10 root 3, that is then 30 degree. So this will be 30 degree. So theta is equal to 30 degree. This is your 30 degree. Now, as I have told you earlier that whenever you are going to calculate angle between two lines, you have to use both plus and minus both signs. So here I have taken plus sign. Next I am going to take the minus sign, that is tan theta is equal to minus root 3 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus root 3 into 1 by root 3. So this comes out to be tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3. So we know that 1 by root 3 is when tan 1, the value of 1 by root 3 comes when 30 degree, when 10 it is 30 degree, 10 30 degree its value is 1 by root 3, but as it is minus, so minus, that means second quadrant. So in second quadrant, so this will be tan theta is equal to 10 180 minus 30 degree. So this will be tan theta is equal to tan 150 degree. So this will be theta is equal to 150 degree. This. So you have to calculate both these angles, then only your answer will be complete. Or you can do one thing, because in the theory you have, it has been told earlier that, see, this is the angle between two lines theta. If we have calculated this theta, so this can be easily calculated because it is 180 minus theta. So if this is 30 degree, so you can easily calculate it, 180 minus 30, that is equal to 150 degree. You can do it also like this, but this will be the perfect. If you do it like this, no one is going to make the answer wrong, but if you do it like this, it will be more perfect. So because you are using the definition of modulus, because modulus, it means it has two values, one is the positive value and another is the negative value. So while calculating the angle between the two lines, you have to take the positive as well as the negative value of this formula, and that means always you are going to get two angles whenever you find the angle between two straight lines. Now let me check the answer. That is it is exercise 9.3 question 10 first, that is 30 degree and 150 degree. So now see here, your question number 11, find the acute angle between the following pairs of lines. So here one thing, it has been in the question, here this is the acute angle and this is the obtuse angle. If in the question if it is mentioned that you have to find the acute angle, then you have to give this answer, not this. But in question number 10, it was given that the find angles between the following pairs of line. It has not given any stress whether it is an acute angle or an obtuse angle. So in that case, you have to find both two values of theta. But in question number 11, it has been clearly stressed that find the acute angle between the following pairs of line, between the following pairs of lines. You have to find the acute angle. So here the question is A, root 3 x minus y plus 2 equal to 0, and another is, that is x minus root 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Again, in this case, you have to convert this into y is equal to mx plus a point slope form. So this is root 3 x plus 2 is equal to y. So here m1 is equal to root 3, and here x minus 4 is equal to root 3y. So x minus 4 by root 3 is equal to y. So x by root 3 minus 4 by root 3 is equal to y. Here m2 is equal to 1 by root 3. Now I am going to I'm going to use the formula tan theta. First of all, I will take the positive value, that is m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 into m1. So here you see that it will be m2, that is 1 by root 3 minus root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 into m2 1 by root 3 m2, this is 1 by root 3 into root 3. So this will comes out to be this is 3 minus this will become this comes out to be equal to root 3 LCM 1 minus 3 2, so this will be minus 1 by root 3. So here you see that uh, root 3 it is when it is root 3 it is when 1 by root 3 when 10 30 degrees 1 by root 3. So this will be 10 because it is negative, so in second quadrant, so it will be 10 180 degree minus 30 degree, and it will be comes out to be 10 150 degree, that is 10 theta. So theta will be equal to 150 degree. So now as the question it has been, it clearly states that you have to find the acute angle. So you can't give this as the answer, but this won't be the answer. Now you take the negative section, you take the negative value. So when you take the negative value, that is 10 theta is equal to minus m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m2 into m1. So this will equal to it will come out to be 1 by root 3. So 10 theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So 10 theta will be equal to 10 30 degree. So theta will be equal to 30 degree. So this is your answer. So now the main point is, in your examination hall you calculate as per your rule, but you calculate both the thing. You can't come to the conclusion that while you are calculating it will be an acute angle or an obtuse angle. You do not know, you do as per the rule, but since the question is given acute angle, so your answer will be, then you write theta is equal to 30 degree. So one thing I want to tell you about this formula, that whether you take this tan theta, if the formula angle between this is given as tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 by m1 plus m2 into m1. Either you take this formula like this, or you take the formula like this, that is m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. No difference comes, there is no difference. So whether you take this formula or this formula, there no difference comes. Whether you select anyone as m1 or anyone as m2, no difference comes, because while calculation you have to take the positive value and as well as the negative value. So the answer will remain the same. And as per the question, if it is asked to find acute angle, then you have to give the answer answer which is acute angle. And if it has asked to find the angles, then you have to give both the angles. So now my next question is question number 12. This question number 12, it is that find the angle between the lines, find the angles between the lines x is equal to 5 and root 3 x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. So again, here you see this x is equal to 5. You see the graph, what is x is equal to 5. This is the graph of x is equal to 5, and it is clear that it is making an angle 90 degree with the x-axis. So 1090 degree, that is 1090 degree is infinity, not defined. So slope of this line is not defined, infinity. And here you find out the slope of this line, root 3x plus 6 is equal to y. So here the slope is m2 is root 3, and here the slope m1 is infinity. Now you have to find the angle between these two lines. Now here the question arises that find the angle. This m2 is equal to root 3. That means m2 slope, that means 10 theta 2 is equal to root 3. So tan theta 2 is equal to tan 60 degree. 60 degree. So theta 2 will be equal to 60 degree. Here you say theta 2 is 60 degree. So this line is making an angle 60 degree. So see this, this is a line, uh, uh, which is making an angle 60 degree, 60 degree with 60 degree with this x-axis, and this line is making 90 degree with this x-axis. So what is the angle between these two lines? So angle between these two lines will be, say, 90, 60. So angle between these two lines will be 30 degree. So angle between the two lines will be 30 degree. So the answer is 30 degree. You have to solve it in this way and show the answer, because you can't take this formula. You know that tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1, that is root 3 minus infinity by 1 plus root 3 into infinity. Such problems can't be solved, so you can't take this formula. You have to analyze in this way, angle between this line, you have to analyze in this way. So when you are going to solve in the exam, you draw this graph, you show the x is equal to 5 and it is making angle 90 degree because its slope is 90 degree. So you show this, that is angle is 90 degree, and you find out the angle of inclination for this line. So it is 60 degree with it is 60 degree with this x-axis. So your angle will be 30 degree. You do not be confused that to draw this line, this is x is equal to 5. So to draw 60 degree slope of this line 60 degree, you can draw any this root 3 minus x, you take like this. This is 60 degree, it is in anti-clockwise direction. This is 90 degree, this is 30 degree. So you have to draw this graph, and then only you can give this answer. So let me check the answer here. Exercise 9.3. 9.3, question number 12, it is 30 degree. So in this way you have to solve it. You have to draw this graph, you have to find out this as angle of inclination in both these two straight lines. You have to draw this graph, and then you will be able to find out the angle between the two lines. My next question is question number 13. Here question number 13, find the angle, find the equations of the equations, plural, of the lines which passes through the points 3, 2, and each of which makes an angle of 45 degree with the line x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. So now here find the equation of the line which passes through the point this, and each of which makes an angle 45 degree with this line. That means here there is a line, say let this be a line, not to the scale, this is a line, and which passes through the point 3, 2, and the angle between these two lines, this you convert it into slope intercept form, that is x minus 3 is equal to 2y. So x by 2 minus 3 by 2 is equal to y. So here this m1 is equal to 1 by 2. So slope of this line is m1 by 2. So let us take that this line, take this like this. Let us take this like this. This is another line. This one, that is x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. And the angle between these two lines is 45 degree. 45 degree. So now, as per your question, the graph of is somewhat like this. This is the line which is passing through the point 3, 2, and this is another line and which is making an angle 45 degree with this line. So you have to find out the equation of this line. So now let us take this. You take this here. You take this slope of this line. This is the slope of this line. You take, let the slope of the line, passing through that is 3, 2 be m1, and here the slope of this line is it is m2. It is x minus 3 is equal to 2y. So x by 2 minus 3 by 2 is equal to y. So m2 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is another slope. Now let us find out your tan theta is given to you. So here let me rub this. Theta is given to you. So tan theta is equal to modulus m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2 into m1 into this is m1. So now here this is tan 45 degree and this is equal to m2. Here is 1 by 2 and your m1 you do not know, that is m1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 into m1. So you have to take two values, one positive value and negative value. Tan 45 is 1. So when I take the positive value, 1 by 2 minus m1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 m1, cross multiply, this will be 1 plus 1 by 2 m1 is equal to 1 by 2 minus m1. So this comes here this side. So this will be half plus m1, that is equal to 3 by 2 m1. This is equal to minus half. So m1 will be equal to minus 1 by 3 m1. Yes. I got the slope, that is m1, that is 2 cancels out, minus 1 by 3. Now next time I am going to take the negative value of this, that is 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus m1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 into m1. So here this will be 1 plus 1 by 2 m1 minus half plus m1. So this will be here, this will be 1 plus 3 by 2 and this will be 1 minus half, that will be m1 by 2. So 3 is equal to m1. So I have got two slopes and they passes through this point. So everything is clear. So point slope form, your point slope form equation is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. This is point slope form. So first y minus 2 is equal to slope, that is minus 1 by 3, x minus x1, that is 3. So here 3y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 3. So this is x plus 3y, that is minus 9, is equal to 0. This is one answer. And your other answer is that y minus 2, your slope is 3, so 3 x minus 3, so this is y minus 2 is equal to 3x minus 9, so this will be 0 is equal to 3x minus y minus 7, so 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is your another answer. So let me check the answer. That is equation exercise 9.3, 9.3, 13. Here you see one is 3x minus y minus 7 equal to 0, and another is x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. So it is easy. Only you remember, whatever this, whenever you calculate the angle between the two lines, you first take a positive value and then take a negative value and you solve it. You will always get two values of theta. But if in the question it is particularly mentioned that you have to find the acute angle, you apply the procedure, and from that the acute angle which you get, you give this as the answer.